Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check IP address on mobile phone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that click on Wi-Fi. And here you must click on your Wi-Fi. After that, you can scroll down and find your IP address. But what is IP address? You can go to Safari and search info about IP address here. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.